Today we're going to be having a look at these old Christmas light boxes. So I'm just going through the stash, trying to organise things, and I found all the old boxes. I did keep the boxes to a lot of the lights, I just don't keep them in the boxes because it's bulky, and I just keep all the boxes together and just keep the lights in storage boxes just so I can grab them quick. But we'll go through them all. Might be a couple of videos. We're in the rainy shed today. First one, got Pifco crystal lights box. Some of these boxes did come with multiple variations. There you go, this one's got the model number on it, 1232. These boxes were pretty cool. They were like display boxes, so you could have them out in the shops. I can't think of, is it this way around? Yeah. That's how the shops displayed them, in the windows or on the shelves. It's a bit busted up. It's got some old tape on it, but we've still got it. This one. I do have the lights, I just don't remember which one's which. I've got a couple of treetop star lights, but Jolly Roger, these are 80s. That's a familiar theme you'll see on a lot of the lights. All come from the same place pretty much. $1970. That's just the when the British Standard came in, not the actual when this satellite was made, I would suspect. Got Woolworths lanterns, or the reuse of the Pifco Carnival lanterns moulds. Love these old pictures, the old 80s style trees. Again, made in Hong Kong. They all pretty much probably came from the same factory. Screw-in set. Nothing inside. Set of 35 Pifco dual lights screw in. This is an early set. And there's your model number. (26 watts). Lamps used in this set are 7.5 volts. Not 6 volts. That'll be because they're 5 short of 40 when it went to 6, I would suspect. But cool old box, not in too bad condition. The plastic's come away, but still worth keeping. We got it yet. Absolutely no idea what came in this set. No idea at all. It's an old set though. Plug-in bulbs, push-in bulbs. That's an old style box for push-ins. Might give you an idea. They look like they're pom-pom lights or tinsel lights. And they are push-in. So 80s lights with a box that looks like it's from the 60s. Pretty cool. Pifco crystal bells. These are a later style box. I would say these are late 80s. $13.39. The bells are the colour of the tracksuits that people were wearing at the time. What, 22 watts for a set of 20? That set of 35 was a lot less. This one's seen better days. Pifco frosty lights. $13.15. Early 80s possibly. Little box, little set of swan lights. Says there are pom-poms on here, but I don't think pom-poms would fit in such a small box. And remember, this is a pushing set. Still got the bulb holders in it, the lamp holders. A lot of the others have long gone, but it's a nice complete box. Probably diamond lights went in here, either diamond or tulip I would say. There's another set of Pifco frosty lights. They look like they're a 70s set. Got the original price on. What's that say? Fryan Hardware Centre, £4.50. £4.50 in the 70s would have been a lot of money for a set of lights. What's that old beer advert say? Reassuringly expensive. So, $13.15 again. Now this box is quite heavy, so I'm suspecting the lamp holder card is inside. Yeah, got the lamp holders inside. We haven't done frosty lights on the channel yet, but we'll get to them. Here's an old one. Love these. Set of 12 olive cone lights, but the Osram, and I suspect they would have had clear bulbs, clear coloured bulbs. There was no free tinsel garland with this one, that had long gone. Always loved that little tree design. I don't know why, it reminds me of old sweet box. It was either York fruits or Meltis fruit jellies that had a similar box. This set is wide in series. Whole set goes off. At least these old sets of 12 were a lot easier to locate a blown bulb. Oh, this one's a slidey box. Oh, we've got a spare bulb. That's where your bayonet holder would go. So bulb holders would fit in here, with the bulb probably facing this way. All your cables down here. Bayonet holder would sit in there, put it in, twist, and you can assume the garland would sit under there. Let's have a look at our bulb. A brand new bulb, never been used. That's upside down. 20 volt, 3 watt, clear, red. Little bit of, I thought that was a little bit of peel, it's just like a little bit of overspray. Shall leave that bulb in that box. So that was a cool one. Mazda Light 20 Christmas lanterns. I'll have to have a little look in the archive to see what they were. Possibly lantern lights that you'd have on a set of London or Cinderella lights, but I'll have to go for the archive to have a look. Gives you an idea there, but again, I'm not sure what was in these. Oh. And pieces missing. Mega lighting. Fawn EMI company. Made by Mazda. God, the amount of levels there. Oh, and made in Hong Kong. That inlay card is really, really heavy. It's seen better days, but it's there. Again, we'll have a look in the archive and we'll see what lights went in that box. I'll have to split this video up a bit, only halfway.